The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike Camper van is one of those creations that instantly grabs attention because it blends two completely different worlds into one: the freedom of a touring trike and the practicality of a compact camper. As soon as you look at it, you realize Honda designed this machine for people who want long-distance comfort, stability, and full-time adventure without needing a full-size RV. It carries the soul of the Gold Wing but adds the stability of a three-wheel frame and the utility of a tiny but fully capable camper module, making it unlike anything else on the road. From the moment the engine starts, the machine feels premium, smooth, and powerful, giving you the confidence to take it anywhere your curiosity leads. Powering the 2026 Gold Wing Trike Camper van is Honda's iconic 1833cc flat-six engine. This engine is already known for its buttery smooth performance, and on the trike platform, it becomes even more stable and predictable. The power output feels strong enough for highway touring, overtaking, and even carrying extra load from the camper module without ever struggling. Honda has tuned the engine for a perfect balance between torque and fuel efficiency, which is ideal for long road trips. Even with the additional weight, the throttle response remains crisp, and the power delivery is linear, making it easy for both experienced riders and beginners who are new to trikes. The automatic DCT gearbox is another highlight, offering quick shifts and eliminating the need to constantly focus on clutch use during long rides. One of the biggest advantages of this trike is its stability. Riders who want long adventures without the fear of balancing a heavy machine at low speeds will appreciate the three-wheel layout. Whether you're moving through tight campgrounds, parking lots, or making slow scenic stops, the trike remains planted. The suspension is designed for comfort, with Honda's dual wishbone front system absorbing bumps and maintaining smoothness even on rougher routes. Touring comfort is taken seriously, with an adjustable windscreen, heated grips, heated seats, and improved aerodynamics that reduce wind resistance and noise for long-distance riders. What truly sets this Gold Wing apart is the integrated camper van module. Honda has added a sleek, lightweight camping pod that blends seamlessly with the trike's design, avoiding the bulky look of traditional trailers. The pod includes a compact sleeping area that folds out to create a cozy resting space for one or two people. Inside, you get LED lighting, USB ports, small storage pockets, and weather-resistant insulation. The design focuses on practicality without making the machine feel oversized or heavy. Some versions even include solar charging panels on the camper roof, allowing riders to keep their devices powered and essential electronics running even when they're off the grid. Storage is another major strength. Apart from the camper pod, the main body includes multiple compartments for helmets, jackets, camping gear, and electronics. Honda ensures that everything opens easily and securely, making packing and unpacking fast during long tours. The integration is smart, and even when fully loaded, the trike maintains a balanced center of gravity. The braking system is upgraded with ABS and traction control that adapts to different terrains, giving riders full control even in wet or uneven conditions. Combined with Honda's riding modes, Tour, Rain, Econ, and Sport, you can adjust the machine's response depending on your environment. The 2026 design language is sharp, modern, and premium. Angular LED headlights, signature tail lights, and chrome touches add a luxurious feel while still maintaining the rugged efficiency needed for long trips. The body panels have been refined to improve wind flow and reduce drag, increasing both fuel efficiency and comfort. Colors range from deep metallic shades to matte finishes, giving riders a chance to customize their look. Honda also includes smart connectivity features such as a large digital dashboard, navigation system, and Bluetooth integration for music, calls, and helmet intercoms. Comfort is one of the strongest selling points. Both the rider and passenger seats are more padded, and the ergonomic design keeps you relaxed even after hours on the road. The footrests and handle positions are adjustable, allowing riders of different heights to find their perfect fit. Even the camper pod has thoughtful touches such as rain-proof vents and easy access panels so you can set up your resting area in minutes without complications. The unique selling point of this machine is simple: it lets you travel far, rest comfortably, and explore without limits. You don't need a full-size RV, you don't need towing experience, and you don't need to worry about storage space. Everything is built into one compact yet powerful package. It appeals to solo travelers, touring couples, adventure vloggers, and anyone who wants the thrill of the open road with the comfort of a small home. You get the joy of riding a Gold Wing, the stability of a trike, and the convenience of a camper all in one futuristic design. Overall, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike Camper van is a perfect blend of engineering and freedom. It feels premium, handles beautifully, offers practical travel features, and opens the door to endless exploration. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the desert, or simply cruising long highways, this machine promises comfort, confidence, and unforgettable adventures.